Okay, ready?
It's your turn. I'm winning. I think.
3D. Ooh.
Ano na?
Hi, kamusta po kayo?
Hi.
Just say, subscribe to our YouTube channel,
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
M&M Adventures.
M&M Adventures.
And this is Joseph and Tita Mel. We're touring about Tatay's garden.
Then we have blueberries.
Ah, you have blueberries too? Hi Joseph, how are you?
Board.
You're bored?
No, I said I'm good.
Ah, you're good. I'm sorry. Ay, Joseph, I have something to tell you. I've learned how to do paddle boarding and kayaking.
Yeah, it's simple. You just go.
Yeah, I didn't know. So,
It's so simple. You just
yeah.
do
So, can you turn me with your Tatay garden? So what we?
tomatoes,
Okay.
stuff,
What's that? What stuff?
plants. I don't know.
That is tomato. This is Joseph. Can you say kamates? This is kamatis.
Tomatoes.
Yeah. Ay, ang daming ang kamatis ni Tatay, no? Hala.
Wait, there's two?
Yeah, this is also kamatis too. Oh. Ang dami. Ito pa.
I thought that one was like some.
This is also kamatis. Wow. That's why your Tatay has a lot of video with the kamatis. And this is zucchini. Zucchini, right?
No, I thought it was cucumber.
Cucumber? This one is cucumber?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's too big here.
Should have seen how thick the other ones were.
It's already been harvested. Ang Tatay is... There's also a sili here, pepper. This is big pepper or small
Oh,
pepper?
it's sweet banana sweet pepper.
Ah, this one?
Yeah, there's
there's
like
a tag.
small pokey thing.
Yeah.
That's all. Oh, ladybug.
Yeah.
Small ladybug.
So where's the other side of Tatay's garden?
I'm gonna go look at it. You go look at it. I'm gonna go look at it.
This one we can go through here? Oh, wow! Joseph! Ang dami! There's a lot of onion.
At first I thought it was beetroot, though. I thought it was beetroot.
This is onion. It's white onion.
Also, it's giant onion.
Yeah! Wow!
Then we
That's...
have the big ant one. And I don't know, but I think that's
So, Joseph, what is this one? Do you know what is this one?
no.
How about this? You know that one too?
Even more onions.
No, that one there. This.
Like,
This plants here. What is that?
what else do we have? A lot of
Okay.
probably.
Swinging.
Swing.
Okay, it's on.
Hello.
Hi. My name is Joseph.
Joseph, so what
Hello.
are the Tagalog words, Kamusta ka?
I can understand, but not all big.
Ah, okay. Tito Miles also know, kamusta ka? Mabuti po. Walang anuman. That's Tito Miles' most favorite word. Ang dalawa na mama siya. Ah, yeah, it is really make noise na. Smile! Wow! How are you? I saw your video. You went to Toronto. And I saw you walking and trying to catch the, ano ba yun? Dove ba yun? Dove? Yung mga ibon.
Bema lang ba ako, para lang maka-inis lang.
Iniinis din ako niyan eh. Tapos minsan pa nga, sabi niya kanina,
Mom saying we should come to the Philippines?
go, go, go! Pero bukas may pasok ka pa.
Natatawa ko kabila. Nag-joke nga ako eh. Wala nang magpubas sa ko.
See? Okay,
It's
ready?
your turn. I'm winning. I think.
3D. Ooh.
Ngayong hapon po, nagluluto. No, this is my phone.
You should be using mine. Mine's got the food setting. That's better.
It's okay.
That's like all the
Masarap yan, ano? Pinapalit. Na tapos ilalagay ang hipon. Ay, wow! Ay, naka-steam lang pala siya, no? Para ano.
Madami pala itong bigkas.
Si Kuya Mamas, pag nagluluto siya ng itlog, ini-steam din yan. Nilalagay niya sa muffin, ano, yung pang muffin na lutuan ng muffin. Oo. Kasi kung pupunta kayo, dadalhin ko yung magdadala akong tuyo at saka kusino at saka may akong tuyo, magluto tayong tuyo sa umaga.
Ako.
Kapang breakfast.
Dito po ba kayo matutulog?
Hindi ko uwi. Nagpunta lang kasi sabi nito maganda daw na in person mag-usap kung ano ang dadalhin or ano. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-prepare, hindi namin alam kung ano.
Ilang oras pang biyahe nyo?
Papunta dito? 45 minutes. Mm-mm.
You like Grace.
Ito na ang luto na hapunan.
Marcos,
Luto na po.
I like Grace.
Look here.
Catch, Kuya
Catch the ball.
Run, 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 run!
Run!
Run, run,
Run!
Pasa. Ganyan.
Oh my God.